To pod mana weche moteno gi weche mag yiero, koro weche mag kwe. Wach mar kwe gi bedo e achiel mar oganda e ote mabende koro pod med jiw kod jodolo e pacho ka moloyo to e seche ma Kenya koro ochomo kinde mag yiero. Jadolo e kanisa mar Catholic bade ma Kisumu Kibuye, Father Samuel Nyataya kane jiwo wach makamano, wacho ni ji osebedo ka odak kod kwe kinde duto ma ok ber ka koro weche mago mag siasa ma bende dhi pogo oganda mondo mi koro gibed jowasigu e kindene mar siasa. Noloso e kinde dhialo nyasi mar ndalo 40 mar tweyo kata weyo gik moko, keto tenge ma dho ngere luonge kaka Lent, ma bende koro en kido mar oganda jo kanisa no mar Catholic. Ne osidhe chendo makamano e kanisa mar St. Joseph Catholic Milimani, kendo koro nobage alam makende makata misa mabende koro nochwal e kanisa maduong' mar Kibuye Catholic e parish ma Kisumu. E kindeno Bishop Joshua Koyo bende nolero ne gin kaka jotelo mag din ne gikawo thuolo mar kwayo jotelo kod jolar kombe siasa mopogore opogore kik wach weche moko manyaya kweda e kind oganda. Wachno nosir kod Vicar General Father Moses Onyango kaachiel kod Archbishop Betty Onyango mojiwo ni mondo obed thuolo mar laro kombe mopogore opogore nikech telo mokiki en telono man kare.
We want to unite because of peace, and peace is made according to our biblical readings. That this time around we must go for peace, and I'm calling political leaders as we speak today and even as we launch this period, that their names or their political parties or the alignment sounds so good. One is called Azimio and another one is called Kenya Kwanza. So both Azimio and Kenya Kwanza and any other political party, we are calling you for peace, and this time round religious leaders are taking forefront. We will not sit back and see you tear this country. We want peace to hold this country together.
We partner with all the departments of the Archdiocese so that the message reaches a larger group. In the spirit of journeying together, in October last year, Pope Francis launched officially the aspect of synod on synodality, journeying together, whereby each and every category of the people is factored in the development of the church and the society. And as we move into the election period, my brother said, my sister here has also said, we have to journey together despite the differences that we have. And the theme for this year's Lenten campaign, Unity in Diversity, brings us together. You bring your point, I bring my point.
Hostility towards one another by using words which are cruel and injuring the others whom they are competing with. Remember, this siasa is there today, but tomorrow after 9th, we are back to where we were. And remember that we remain one. My second appeal goes to the youth of this country, not to allow themselves to be used by any politicians or to be used by anybody, either publicly or in private. Remember, you are Kenyans, and we church leaders here, we are helping you to define the future of Kenya in a peaceful manner. So support us, youth, to support you, have a better future after us. Now, thirdly, I want to appeal also similar to the youth. This time round, Kenyans, women, have really offered themselves to take position of leadership in this country. Let not harass them, but pray for them. Out of them, you will get quality leaders. And where they have the mixture of men and women, their product is good. So support women, do not harass them, help them to achieve their position. And remember, in this part of the country where we are in Nyanza, we were the first to produce a mayor woman in this country.